Hello, my name is Ashok and I'm a professor of Ashok Business School. I am associated with the Department of Management. My specialization is organizational design, now focusing on luxury industry. I also work with many other institutes and schools in the world, and one of them is Indian Institute of Management, Calcutta. During my PhD and during my research for the last 25 years, I have always used case study methodology while trying to understand organizations. I have been doing this not only with my students, but also during my discussion with companies. So I started writing cases during my PhD program at IIM Ahmedabad, and that has been my passion for over the last 25 years. I have written 110 plus cases of different organizations in different industries, in different startups, in different setup. This huge experience that I have gathered over the last years has enabled me to be one of the leading case writers in the world. I will be present at the 10th Case Method Workshop of the Case Research Center at IIM Calcutta, which will be held on January 5th and 6th, 2024. I will facilitate not only the case writing, but the case teaching methodology in these 2 days.